I'm Greg, a sailor, bagpiper, general jack of all trades. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. It has been quite a while since I've posted a video, probably about 6 months. A quick update. So last June, one of the companies I worked for wrapped up a project and didn't replace it. So I was only working for 2 companies and had a bunch of extra time. So I was just cranking to get boats done. So I got the sailboat, the catboat in the water and started racing that in June, which basically chewed up a lot of Saturdays. Then I got the motorboat in the water and had some engine troubles with that, and that took a little time. And then I was working on the sailboat like a fiend. And spoiler alert, we actually launched the Bristol early August, sailed it all of August, September, and the beginning of October, and hauled it out mid-October. Then let's see. Fall was upon us. I had to finish, getting all the boats hauled out, pressure wash the bottoms, clean them up, cover them, put them away. And then the leaves started falling, so I was raking leaves and cleaning up the yard, and there's a couple of weekends there. All of a sudden it was Thanksgiving, and then suddenly we're coming into Christmas. The workshop, instead of working on the boat, I ended up sort of building some Christmas projects. So this is one of the ducks, little duck, that, my girls used when they were little. As you push it along, little feet make a cute little flappy noise. And I'd given one to one of my nieces. I have another new niece who's a little over a year, and so I made one for her. And then while I was making them, I figured, geez, I might as well make a few more. This was the template that I had, and the template for the feet. So while I was making, I figured make a couple extras. And then I had seen a picture of a lobster. They had it as a pull toy, but I figure if it's a pull toy, it's behind you and you can't see it, so I wanted to try to make it into a push toy. And the little claws. I hope I was aiming at that. I have no idea what I was aiming at. Maybe I should get the camera so I can see. So it's kind of cute that the little claws make a clapping noise as you push it across the floor. So I ended up making, it took a lot of templating, but there's the body. Here are the bottoms of the claws, and then these are the top of the claws that pivot back and forth. And then the tail. So anyway, you can see I've made some templates of those. A little jig to cut the dado in the bottom of those. And I have one extra one that I made. I've got to finish putting it together. And then just puttering around down in the workshop. So I have been in, Santa's workshop mode for the last couple of weeks down here. Christmas is over now. So now I can finally finish up these little projects and then get back to hopefully working on the boat. We've got to gut the interior and, well, not gut it, but take out a big percentage of the interior, replace some rotten plywood panels, and then put the interior back together again. And then basically that's going to be it for the boat. So that's my goal. I also have probably 6 or 7 videos from last spring that are the deck repair and then painting the exterior of the deck, the cabin house, the cockpit, reinstalling all of the tow rails, grab rails, and the other woodwork that we refinished last winter. So those videos are on my computer and are in the process of being edited and uploaded to YouTube. So those will be coming out fairly soon. So anyway, that's the quick update on where I am. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. And for all of you new people who are interested in this content, the restoration of fiberglass, older fiberglass boats, please subscribe so that you'll see when the new videos come out. So thank you for watching and welcome to 2024, and we'll see you soon.